Welcome back and thank you for joining me in this JavaScript journey from zero to hero. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Volkan and I've been coding JavaScript since 2003, and aside from JavaScript I also like optimizing the performance of applications both in the backend and also in the front end, and I can call myself a performance freak, so to speak. I publicly speak at developer conferences, I create screencasts, I write books and articles about everything and JavaScript mostly, and I contribute to the open source and the developer community as much as I can. So you can learn more about me and what I am up to so far in my personal website volkan.io, and you can watch my technical screencasts on Byte-Sized.tv. JavaScript from Zero to Hero, as you may know, is a comprehensive course about JavaScript and related tools and technologies. So without further ado, let's dive into our first lesson.